And stay down. I've got a bad feeling about this. Bad, Gnome. Bad. I've fallen and I can't get up. Oh, how embarrassing. Help! Oh, bother. Someone call 911. I'm getting too old for this. Well, who let the dogs out? I much prefer a kitty. This must be the way out. Oh, the way out. It's getting dark in here. Here I come to save the day. Super Granny to the rescue. Now where are my kitties? Granny's in the house. Hasta la vista, baby. There goes my hip again. I'll be back. I'm melting. Here, kitty, kitty. Come to Nana. Oh, my precious. Bye, honey. See you later, suckers. Later, alligator. Move over, Lara Croft. There's a new girl in town. Yeah. 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 Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Take that. Talk to the hand, Gnome. That's better. Who turned out the lights? I am Super Granny. You can move me around with the arrow keys. Try moving me around now. I can't dig through a wall of dirt. Let's back up and try again. You're the bee's knees. Now walk me through this hole to rescue the remaining cats. Now rescue these cats. The more cats we rescue at once, the more points we get. When all the cats have been rescued, the exit flower appears. Walk me to it. Goodness, I've been spotted. Press the space bar, quick. Wonderful. Now wait until the gnome falls into the hole. Excellent. I can walk over trapped enemies. After a while, the hole will fill in. Now help me rescue these cats. Sometimes when I rescue all my kitties, ladders like this one will appear. Exit the level. I can also use items. Walk me into this watering can to pick it up. Good work, dear. Be a sweetheart and help me walk to my cat. Now help me walk to this plant while holding the watering can to water it. Items have a timer. Hurry. Thank you, sweetie. See if you can help me solve the rest of the level. The item timed out. I will need to pick it up again. When 100 flowers blossom, I get an extra life. I'd like to try digging. Walk me to this arrow. Walk me to this arrow, dear. I've found the cat, but he still isn't rescued yet. Help me lead him to this door. I love gardening. Move me over here. Help me climb the ladder by holding the up arrow key. Bonus flowers are planted everywhere. Take me around the flower beds to tend all of the flowers. When I've found all of the flowers, a super flower grows. Move me over to the arrow that appears. I can dig holes, but only in front of me. Press spacebar now. I can't dig through rock, dear. Whee! Oh, the view up here is wonderful. Now I'm Union. I need your help to save my kitties. I look like one of the village people. Who you gonna call? Super Granny. YMCA.